Hey everybody, it's Kim. I just wanted to do a quick share of something I figured out, and possibly you guys could use it or have already done it yourself. I'm kind of excited about it. Now, I'm working on a 8x10 scrapbook album for my girlfriend's daughter who's having twins. And I'm going to be doing a video on that a while from now because I'm still working on it. But I'm coming up with these tags and things that I'm going to be putting in the pockets of this mini, and I'll tell you what made me think of this. I was trying to find something that had baby feet on it, so I clicked on insert images and I typed in baby feet. I loved these two or these three right here, this one especially, but I don't have this cartridge, and I thought I already have baby steps, which is one of the cartridges I bought years and years ago. So I didn't want to go through and buy another image like that. And I thought, gosh, I wonder if I could make this myself. So I went in, click on insert images again. It's going to bring you up to your mat. And I created the card first. So I'm going to adjust the square image by clicking on edit. And I want to make it 8x4. So when it folds over, it'll be 4x4. So let's do 8.0. I went ahead and unclicked the lock aspect, and 4.0. All right, so that's that. And I'm going to try to put it right there on the 2-inch mark. And there's a reason for that. Sorry, my mat's sticking to my elbow there. The next thing I did was I wanted a score line. I didn't have to have that, but I figured, what the heck, I mean, I'll try it. So I'm going to insert image, and I'm going to type the word score. There it is right there. Click on it, bring it onto the mat. So here it is right here. Now I want that to be the same height as the 4 inches here. So being clicked on the image, I'm going to come over to the edit feature, and I'm just going to type in 4.0. Now I want it to be halfway through my 4-inch mark, so I'm on 2, which would be 6 inches. If I had this pulled all the way over to the corner at the 1-inch mark, then I would put it on the 4-inch, but since I'm at the 2 and the 10, I'm giving you a little math lesson here, I'm going to put it right down the middle. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I'm going to search baby feet. Typed in an extra letter there. Now this one I actually have, and it is from Cake Seasonal Sampler. So I'm going to put that on my mat. But I don't want it to go this way. I want it to go the other way. So there's a couple different ways you can do it. You can come over to the position and flip it, or you can do the mirror, which would flip it upside down. You could do it sideways. But in this case, I literally want it to be like this. And I do want it to be bigger. So I'm going to adjust the height to about a 3.0. And I'm going to bring that right over there. Okay, now at this point, I need to attach all of this, because if I don't, well, I'll go ahead and show you. I'll go on the mat and show you. It's going to cut the card, then it's going to cut the feet separate, and then it's going to do the score line. So let's click off, highlight the whole thing, and then I'm going to come over to layers, and I'm going to say attach. Now I'm going to take you back to the cutting mat, and you'll see that when it cuts, it's going to cut the card. Actually, I've already cut one out, so I'll tell you, it does score first, then it cuts the card, and then it cuts the feet. It is absolutely adorable. So the suspense is going to be there because I'm not quite done with the album, but when I'm all done, I will show you what this card turned out like. So you can try it. You can put anything there. You can put a tree, you can put a candle, a birthday cake, whatever you want to do. You can cut it out there. So, all right, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Have any questions, just leave a comment. I'll get back to you.